I was just talking to my sister about the Tarzan's treehouse, or the, what is it, Adventure Treehouse that they're building at Disneyland. Every single one of those leaves is fake, which, I mean, obviously, because Disneyland can make anything, but I wonder how much it costs to make for somebody to literally custom make every single leaf, the whole tree, the whole trunks. I'm genuinely so impressed. I'm very curious about that. I hope you guys can see it on camera, but that whole tree is fake. Wow, that's insane. Look at the tree house. It was particularly hot on this day, so we figured the best ride to get on would be Pirates of the Caribbean. And the reason for that is because it's a ride where you get to sit on a boat. It feels super fresh and cool inside. It's very dark, and then the boat just kind of guides you through. And there's a teeny tiny little drop, but for the most part, you're just seeing a lot of animatronic pirates kind of dancing and singing. So it's a really cool ride. The first time I ever got on it years and years ago, I was a little bit freaked out, mostly because they looked very creepy. And my in-laws had told me how back in the day, a lot of the skeletons that you see on the ride were real. So I looked it up, and online it said that the Imagineers really wanted to give a very realistic look. So they got some bones and skeletons from a medical school. I think it was UCLA. And then over time they transitioned them out, and now none of them are real. But I was just kind of shocked by that, and I couldn't believe it, and it made the ride feel a little bit more eerie. But overall, it was very refreshing to just be able to sit down where it's nice and cool.
Squirrel, a frog.
These are all little animals that have passed away, that they've died.
The Haunted Mansion ride is another one of those rides where we get to sit down inside of these little pods, and it kind of guides us through the mansion. So usually they have a lot of ghosts and other things from the movie. I've actually never seen the movie myself. I've watched snippets of it from time to time. When I was younger, I remember it used to come on TV, but by the time we would watch it, it was always in Spanish, and it would always be like different sections of the movie. And so I've never actually seen the whole thing. But this year, because of the holidays, everything was Nightmare Before Christmas themed. And I've actually never seen that movie either. But my brother used to be obsessed with Jack Skellington when he was a teenager. So I can recognize a lot of these characters, and I think my gremlins have seen the movie, but I have yet to see it. So I brought these snack packs for the park, and they have been working so good. This is the melon that I harvested, the hummus, the carrots, and the Armenian cucumber. Look at that. I also brought Armenian cucumbers with salt and lemon. Look how delicious those look. Can I try one of your things? Okay. I don't know exactly what variety this is because I didn't even check the tag, but it's really good. final verdict is that the cantaloupe was my kid's favorite out of the whole little snack bag. We're 2 out of 3. Maybe we like the hummus the best. Ooh. Time for Dole Whip. Okay, this one is a blood orange agua fresca. No, it's good. It's really refreshing.
You try the chile mango one, sir?
I'm about to. Chile mango.
Wow, that one's really good.
This was my favorite, so.
I remember eating this one last time. It was so good.
This was just perfect.
I got a chickpea spiced vegetable bowl.
And then this is regular Dole Whip. We just finished our Dole Whip, and I think we're gonna head over to have lunch now. Just because we're waiting on another ride, and it's still gonna be a little while, and it's really hot. So we just want to get all the kids nice and full so that it's a lot easier moving forward. Because let me tell you something, Disneyland is a lot of fun, except for when the babies are hungry and cranky, and we're hungry and cranky. It just makes it a huge mess. So we're gonna go eat something real quick. For today's lunch, I brought some pesto pasta, which was a really easy meal to make because all I had to do was just boil the noodles this morning, and then the pesto I had already made at home, so just toss it in that, and then it was ready to go. And then we just kept everything nice and iced in the lockers. Okay, so we're heading over now. Pesto pasta.
Is it cool? Hello, my name is Elephant. Mommy, is the pesto pasta?
And this is some of the artisan bread that we made. Really good too.
Would you rather fight 10 polar bears or 20 tigers? Tigers? Bears? That's smart. You're dead either way, but bears. But bears are crazy. They're crazy.
We just finished lunch and now we're headed over to Indiana Jones, but there are so many people here, but that's not bad compared to California Adventure. Today's supposed to be the Oogie Boogie Bash, and the lines are so long outside of the park, but hopefully that just means Disney will get a little bit emptier as it approaches the time for that event to start. And the weather right now is not bad at all. It's actually really nice. I think the high today was supposed to be either in the high 70s or low 80s. Anywho, Indiana Jones it is.
Same. We'll rock, paper, scissors for it. Ready?
Indiana Jones. I haven't been on this ride in years. Wait, did we get on this one last time? I feel like I haven't been on it in years. I'm excited though. So excited. We're leaving Indiana Jones because the ride broke down and we waited for a while and it seems like it's not going to start up anytime soon, so we're just gonna head somewhere else. The Minnie and Mickey Mouse ride was one of the new ones that they had recently opened not too long ago, and this was our very first time getting on it. And I don't know if it was open the very last time that we came to Disneyland, but I loved it, and so did my kids. It was very interactive. When we were waiting in line, they were playing cartoons, so that was really cool because it made the wait go by a lot faster. And the actual ride itself lasted a good while, and all of the visuals were very beautiful. I loved the music, I loved the scenery. Overall, for family-friendly rides, I feel like this is hands down one of my favorites, and it was one of my gremlins' favorites as well. leaving now. We're leaving kind of early today because we still have tomorrow and we want to make sure we get here early.
Let's go on that side because we're walking this way. They're walking that way.
Oh, this way?
Yeah.
Okay.